Welcome everyone, this is Alex for the Coaster Spot, and today we're back at Six Flags Hurricane Harbor in New Jersey, right next to Six Flags Adventure. A little park update. It's September 17th and we're at the park. Usually they close a few weeks after Labor Day, but they decided to stay open for something they're calling Splash Lite. So it might be kind of a similar operation to what you see earlier in the season when they don't have everything quite open, although this year they did. But yeah, they do have a defined rise that will be closed, so we'll see how it is. Also check in on the construction of what was supposed to be the new for 2023 kids area, but now it is definitely delayed until next year. So, see there we go, there it is, there's dates. So you still do have 2 more weekends to check this out from when I posted this. Love that they're doing this. It's a beautiful day, 77 degrees. Why not still have the water park open? We've already seen a hint of what it's going to be open, but right away, the thing that we definitely wanted open, because we're going to probably lap this for an hour or so, is the Lazy River. Take It Easy Creek. Nice. Very happy about that one. All right, here is the pack map for the Lite Splash. As you can see, we're missing the family raft rides, Hurricane Mountain, and then Bada Bing, Bada Boom, Bada Bang. And then you can see that they obviously now are advertising the kids area as 2024. So we'll take a look at that if we can get close. I don't know if that bridge is even open for us to see it. So we'll take a look. Oh, and the Aqua Racer?
Aqua Racer?
The mat slide is also not available for you as well.
Oh, that's so.
But you got the wave pool, the kids area, and that tube slide. So we're just here to relax. So this is perfect. And as we've seen already, even though we're half an hour after open, it's pretty much dead. They've added this fun selfie spot here with Hurricane Harbor. Nice. Do not remember this last year or last time.
These are not all our slides though.
It's a majority of them are ours. Yeah, that's definitely, we do not have a black body slide. Notice one thing, they have added paying by QR code to the lockers. Remember we just saw that at,
they did?
Lodge. Yeah.
That's exciting.
That's something I actually hope they add to the pay one prices at the amusement park, because
nice.
then I don't need to bring a credit card in. I can just scan and pay with the card.
Wait, no. Have we checked the actual all day lockers at Six Flags? We never, a great adventure. We never looked at those.
I don't think these. I think this might be newish though.
I think they added it this year because I think I remember talking to Angel about it, and I was excited. So it's new this year.
Right, same prices and everything, but yeah. All right, here's a look at the kids area. As you can see, like half of those kids slides are in. A couple of those dips, a couple of those twists. There are going to be more over here with like the mini tornado. A lot of the slides are pre-assembled out in the parking lots, so we'll try to get a view of that now. And here's a look at all those slides, pretty much fully assembled to the largest sections that they can assemble them before transporting them over. And there's that bucket. Hopefully it doesn't take an hour to fill. Oh, you'll see that later on in the video. And here are the rest of the slides, including the mini funnel over in the reserved parking. There they are. But they have a lot more to do. Doesn't look like they've really started on the kid structure yet, the playground. Looks like that's just a lot of dirt. But, yeah. I mean, it's gonna be a great time for kids, man. This is gonna look awesome. And
I'm surprised the pool's not made yet. I figured you would make the pool before you put the slide in.
But either way, as I said it back when the park opened, once these are in, man, it's gonna make some of the other stuff look like they need to add some more modern stuff. Definitely. What do you think so far?
It's cold.
It's cold, but it's like, it's just perfect enough. Any more, like, the water, if it was any colder, it'd probably be like,
After doing a few water parks these past few weekends, I realized not many have that many things that slap you in the face.
No, and they are aggressive too.
It's only 1 or 2 at most, but like not 4.
No, they are very aggressive with the water, yeah. Especially the inner ones, because it's in at the front and out, in, out. Yeah, it's pretty crazy how much it comes.
One of them starts with it, so it's not that bad. Or 2 of them start with it.
Oh, like right, like slow. No, a little bit worse because you so slowly, so you like, and you have it for a while.
Why do you think I chose the blue one first?
Ah, yeah, good point. Yeah, I'm gonna get the yellow one out of the way. I'm gonna do all 4 for whatever reason. Don't need to, because half of them are the same.
This bathing suit's nice. Guys, get a long sleeve if you get cold usually.
Yeah, it's great for the end of the
It's like 30 bucks on Amazon.
Yeah.
Amazon, you want to sponsor me?
I wish. This is the longest bell we've ever seen. It's been doing it for like 5 minutes. I think I've heard it stop eventually. What is going on? We have determined that today the water that's going in is basically equaling the water that is coming out for the little bell. Yes, that's definitely what's going on.
Yeah, it's going to keep the water pressure in the other bucket.
Yeah.
Compare it.
I don't know if it's broken or if it's just intentional that way. All right, we didn't film it, but we went in the pool and it went for like 60 seconds. I basically walked out to the
5 feet.
Yeah, and then it ended. It was, I don't know what the deal was, and we didn't feel like waiting around to find out. So we're just gonna take our trip in the pool. Earlier, we had like a private pool practically, or a private lazy river to ourselves, so it was great. Not a lot of screaming, just lots of quietness. I think we'll still have a little bit of that. What do you think?
Yeah, it's definitely more people.
It's more people, but it's not too bad. Private lazy river? Just pro tip, if you want to ride the Tornado, that is still going to get a weight. Everything else, no weights whatsoever. Walk in, nothing, but always go to Tornado first. All right, that's about it for our update here at Hurricane Harbor in September. It's so weird.
No, it's almost 17th.
Yeah, I know.
Well, like 1 weekend actually, but 2.
We'll say though, it is a weird mix going through the lazy river with the music because it goes from one section of the park to another. Occasionally there's bleed from 2 at the same time. Right now you got the like Hawaiian area, then you get like pop music. So much Billy Joel. So much Billy Joel. So, yeah, it was fun. Yeah. If the weather's nice, we're going to close it out on October 1st because I think that will probably be the first time in history an outdoor water park has operated in the month of October ever.
Ever?
Where do you think there's been an outdoor full-size water park open in October in New Jersey?
I'm going to prove you wrong.
You do that. Or do it in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out an update of the amusement park, we did that a few days ago, and we also are doing a full tour of Fright Fest, Oktoberfest, and Boo Fest that is taking place right now until the end of October. Bye.
Bye.
This has been Alex for the Coaster Spot.
Goodbye.
Like an hour later, you won't believe what just happened while you were getting changed.
The bucket went down.
The bucket went down. It's right there, and it stopped dinging because it's been dinging before. Yeah, it just went. So it does go. It just takes like an hour.
I told you we had to get changed, dry off.
Bye.